In this video, we're going to be exploring the newest icon added to Classlink, and that is Google Drive. And what we're looking at is how this will enable us to be able to connect our account with our correct Google account. So from Classlink, you're going to want to locate the icon that looks something like the following. We're looking for the Google Drive. Now, if you've had previous encounters, you may be familiar somewhat with the Google Classroom. Today, we are focused on the Drive symbol or icon here and app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And when I click on this, we should be able to see the Making Magic Happen icon populate, and it should be able to pull up with the proper account. Now, if this isn't the account that you are wanting, it's possible that you may have to be able to say, hey, look, I have other accounts. Occasionally, you may have another account that your computer has been associated or connected with. It's possible that you may have to sign out of that account, or you may even have to remove that account. Let's go ahead and click on this and click Remove an Account. And I'm going to remove this other previous account that I had connected. Now I'm going to go back to my Classlink page. I'm going to click onto my Google Drive icon. I should see that Making Magic Happen. And this time it should correctly populate with my account. Not only my username, but as well my password. And now I've successfully entered into my account. And we can verify this by coming to the top right corner. In the top right, we're looking for the icon with a letter, so it represents that we are in the correct account. You can verify this by coming up to the top, hovering on that letter, and ensuring that you have the For Students at hlpnet.net account. If you are a staff member, you'd be looking for at hlpusd.k12.ca.us. But again, we just came to the top to verify which account we are currently registered onto. Now, if we were to open up a new tab, we're ready to search on our web browser, and I can see that I still have the same icon to indicate that I am signed in or connected with the proper account. Now, if it's the case where you again come to your account and it's not what you are wanting, you can simply come up here to the top, click on the letter, and you can sign out of that account. And you would be able to see here that you have successfully signed out. And as we had previously indicated, you can always remove those accounts as well. Simply coming to remove an account, clicking on the account you'd like to remove, and at a later time, you are capable to access and sign back into that account. So don't feel that if you remove an account or if you sign out of an account that you're not able to go back into it, because you are. Once more, how did I go about doing this? Come to the Classlink page. Look for the icon that says Google Drive. Click on that. The Making Magic Happen will happen. You should have your username as well as your password automatically populate through single sign-on. And you should instantaneously be signed into the correct Google account that you are wanting to use. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and please let any of us know if you need more assistance connecting your Google account.